For all the latest updates, subscribe to News 9.
More than 750 lawyers have written to Chief Justice of India S.A. Bobde over scandalizing of the judiciary. The lawyers have expressed their concerns over attempts to intimidate and scandalize the judiciary. The letter is said to be an attempt to counter the campaign by some groups in support of advocate Prashant Bhushan. The Supreme Court had held Prashant Bhushan guilty of contempt of court over his tweets alleging corruption in the judiciary. More than 750 lawyers from across India have written to CJI S.A. Bobde criticizing the recent trend of browbeating and intimidating the judiciary. The lawyers said it is essential to protect the dignity and authority of courts if the judiciary is to discharge its duties effectively. The lawyers said they wanted to register their concerns over the recent trend to browbeat and intimidate the judiciary. They said judiciary has been witnessing a series of attacks by institutional disruptors against judges who are unwilling to agree with them and refuse to toe their line. The letter to Chief Justice of India S.A. Bobde was signed by 772 lawyers. The letter said it is unfortunate that when political ends of some lawyers are not served by a decision of the court, they vilify the court by making scandalizing remarks. The lawyers added that the Supreme Court of India as well as judges are being subjected to scurrilous language, malicious attacks, and scandalizing remarks. The letter comes after a group of eminent people, including retired judges, issued a statement criticizing Supreme Court's judgment against Prashant Bhushan.
I am truly overwhelmed and humbled by the outpouring of support and solidarity with me from retired judges, senior and other lawyers, eminent and other citizens, bar associations, people's movements and organizations, Indian diaspora abroad, etc. on my conviction for contempt by the Supreme Court.
The advocates contended that legitimate criticism of both judgments and functioning of the institution always existed, but there has been malicious attack against the judiciary. The advocates further added that such criticism and malicious attacks are undermining the authority of the court. The lawyers in their letter said it is essential to protect the dignity and authority of courts if the judiciary is to perform its duties effectively. The signatories asserted that the foundation of the judiciary is the confidence of the people in its ability to deliver justice. The lawyers criticized the remarks such as Supreme Court has destroyed democracy and Supreme Court is killing the Constitution. They said the actions of institutional disruptors and their remarks have the tendency to destroy the faith of the public in the judiciary. The lawyers urged the CJI to uphold the edifice of the judicial system and protect the third pillar of democracy from those who attempt to destroy the institution by peddling falsehood. The lawyers wanted the Supreme Court to deal with such persons firmly.